Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Tactics 24/7. My name is Oscar and today we will be discussing the terms used in tactical analysis, which is very important for coaches as well as for players. We will first take a look at a term called Zone 14. The playing field is divided into 18 zones and one of the most important zones is the one in front of the goal. The reason is from this zone we can shoot on either side of the goal at better angles and also play a variety of combination play, and still if that is not possible we can switch the play to the other side. In this animation we see the goalkeeper who passes to the center back and the ball reaches the winger who then passes it to the forward. The forward dribbles inside the zone 14 and plays a through ball to the winger who scores at goal. Now let's take a look at a term called half space. Half space is the area between the outer corridor and the central corridor. This is a space which is very important as it is central enough for shots and wide enough for crosses at a better angle. If the players cannot shoot or cross, then they can play it to the wide players. This space runs along the entire length of the field and can be used by defenders to progress the ball forward and pass it to the midfielders. This space is also used to draw the defenders into tackles and to create more spaces between the lines of the opposition. Here we see an animation where the play is built on the flanks and the attacking midfielder runs through the half space to cross the ball for the forward to score. The field is divided into three thirds: the defending, midfield and attacking third, depending upon your direction of play. The defending third is usually where the team should be cautious and take the least amount of risk. As well, it is sometimes used by teams to defend in a low block. The midfield third is used for ball progression and is also sometimes used to defend in a mid block, while the attacking third is used for penetration and to finish at goal. The second 6-yard box is a very important area, especially in corners where the goalkeeper is in a dilemma to come out or not for the ball. It is also an important area where a lot of goals are scored by tap-ins, as the goalkeeper has very little time to react. How often have you seen players kick the ball when there was no opportunity to shoot? This is because the angle of shooting was quite narrow, and so the players must be aware of the zone from which it is possible to score a goal. The more the players dribble towards the end line, the better option would be for the low cross inside the box for his teammates. This zone can be easily shown in practice, which helps the players understand whether to shoot or not. Tracking the players would be a term used when the attacking players on the far side of the ball try to run on the blind side of the defenders, as it is very difficult to watch the player and the ball as well. A good body position is very important to prevent this, as well as constant scanning is needed. Pressure, cover, balance are three important aspects of defending. Here's the defending situation and we can see the number 5 of the white team applying immediate pressure so as to prevent the through passes by the number 10. Cover is provided by number 2 and number 4 of the white team by getting compact, and also we can see the number 4 marking the number 9 of the red team. Balance is provided by the number 3 of the white team, who provides compactness and also is ready for any switch of play. The pressure, cover, balance scenario can be applied to various areas of the field. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel Tactics 24/7, and if you like the video, share it and like it as well. See you in the next video for more tactical terms.